Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be creating this makeup look for you guys using some new to me makeup that I picked up. I think this would be such a beautiful look for the holidays, as well as collaborating with one of my favorite jewelry brands, Ana Luisa. So Ana Luisa, if you do not know, is a sustainable, ethical jewelry company creating jewelry with the environment at heart and in mind. Also, just creating these really beautiful, simple, timeless jewelry that you can wear during the holiday season. You can wear it day to day. My favorite by far has to be my little earrings that I have been wearing all the time. I wear them day and night. I sleep in them. I forget that they're in. They're so lightweight. So I wanted to show you guys a couple pieces that I picked up. So the first piece that I got was this beautiful, simple chain that says Mama on it. Like, how cute is that? I'm so obsessed with it. Being a mom to 3 boys, it just, I don't know, feel like I'm wearing them on my heart. It's so cute. And it has just a super cute heart on the back with a little detailing on it. And you kind of have 3 rings, so you can just adjust the size if you want to. I think it is such a beautiful piece. I really wanted to add some more bracelets to my collection. I don't really have any, and I just love the way a bracelet looks on the wrist. It's so feminine and dainty and just kind of adds a little bit more to like an everyday basic outfit. It just looks a little bit more chic, a little bit more pretty. So I picked out this chain, which has this nice rope detailing in it. It also has an adjustable clasp to it, as well as that really beautiful detailing of Ana Luisa on the back and kind of like a tiny little gem there. It's so pretty, lightweight, and I just think it looks so chic. As well, how cool is this? I thought this was like the coolest piece. It looks like a watch band. First of all, gold watch band is so, like, it's been in for a while. This is timeless. It is not going away. I love kind of like the detailing in it. It just looks like that cool men's watch look. It also has the Ana Luisa name on the clasp, and they give you extra links. If this is not big enough, you get extra links so that you can make it bigger for your wrist. So I just love these pieces. Again, they come in these super cute reusable recycled dust bags that you can keep your change in, keep other jewelry in. This one has like a little pocket in it, so you could definitely keep your like your cards in it. Not your watch, well, you could keep a watch in it. You could keep your credit cards, your cards in there. Cash if you wanted to, change. I love these. They have the magnetic clasps, so they close nice and neatly and stay closed. And then just how pretty is this velvety feeling little envelope, little pouch. So cute. Because it's Black Friday, Ana Luisa is having their biggest sale of the year. Buy one, get one 60% off. So I will put the link in my description box. Definitely check it out for yourselves. This is a great time to get something for one of your loved ones or to treat yourself. So definitely check that out. Again, I will put the links in the description box for you guys to shop away for Black Friday. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is the t.dote concealer from the Balm. So it is a cream concealer. I don't have any cream concealers right now, so I was really excited to try it. I am obsessed with Bahama Mama. It's my favorite bronzer, and I was a little surprised to see, so these products were on clearance. Like, I think I got this for $4.99. So I have a feeling that they're discontinuing it at Shoppers Drug Mart, which sucks, but I'm sure you can still get it online. So it says organic jojoba oil with anti-inflammatory properties to reduce and calm redness and skin irritation, warm with fingertips prior to application. So I guess I'll warm up my fingers and I'll use my fingers to apply it. I kind of did a little test on it when I first got it, but haven't used it since. And I also got it in the shade number 18, so it is a little bit darker, which I am loving for concealers right now. So I'm going to go in with my fingertips and put it on, and then I'm going to use my brush to blend it through. So you can see that it looks brighter in camera, but without the lights, it is not as bright. And when I use this, I didn't apply any setting powder just because it was like creamy and not super, it's not that it's not hydrating, but not super dewy, let's say, like a dewy finish. I didn't think that I needed any kind of setting powder. So raise your hand if you are watching Squid Game and can't even handle it. I can't handle it. I can't handle the emotional roller coaster. I think I'm on episode 6. So, like, I watched episode 6 and I'm still processing it all. Oh my goodness, me and my boys are addicted to watching it. It is so good. The storyline is amazing. It's more than just the sensationalized kid games where people go away. There's just so many more storylines to it, and I don't think I can handle a season 2. I don't think I can emotionally handle a season 2. So that is blending in beautifully. Like, I love it. It just blended into my skin. It is not sitting on top of my skin. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't settle into my lines. I find too when I'm applying concealer, if I kind of keep my eyes open, like stretch out the lines a little bit and just pat it in, that helps a lot with any kind of fine lines in the eye area. I'm doing a little bit of cream contour, so I'm just using the NYX wand. I just personally reach for this a lot out of convenience, I think. It's not so much the shade, like it's a nice bronzy shade. I think I would have liked something cooler for contour, but just the convenience of it being on a wand for me, like it's one less step to do. And on top of the like suspense and stress of Squid Games, I feel like each night one of my boys has a sport now. So whether it's my oldest with volleyball, high school volleyball, their team is doing really well, or the other two with hockey, it's just so much like anxiety and excitement too. Excitement and anxiety have a similar feeling, so there's a lot of excitement and highs and lows. And my middle son, who plays hockey, is now in body contact. So once they get to a certain age, that's when the hitting comes in, and that's a whole new level of stress. You're just clenching your fingers, your fists the whole time, just hoping for the best. I'm going in with Bahama Mama for my bronzer, absolute favorite for shade and texture. So I hope everybody is having an amazing Thanksgiving. You guys are getting out and doing some Black Friday shopping in store or online. Canadian Thanksgiving happened in October, so we are past that and just looking forward towards Christmas and getting all of that stuff ready. So it's a great time to be shopping for Christmas presents online, and this jewelry from Ana Luisa would make such an amazing gift, especially for your mom, for your mama. I love this necklace. All right, I have not tried this blush yet, but I'm excited to try it. If it's anything like Bahama Mama, then I'm sure I will love it. I love that there is the similarity with Mama here. So we got the Mama necklace and the Hot Mama blush. So it's this beautiful coral shade. It's kind of got like a sheen to it. Like there's like kind of a duality of pink and peach in it. It's really, really pretty. So let's pop some of that on. And you don't even need a highlighter because this has the luminosity to it, all the luminosity you need, and very pigmented. So I'm just going to go on the apples of my cheek, the upper apples. I find if I go down too low, it kind of drags my face down, and I'm gonna just put some up above my eyebrow. Just kind of gives a little lift to the face and a little bit more of a sun-kissed look. So loving the blush. It's just got this warm, kind of peachy, golden glow to it. So it really pairs well with the bronzer. Like there's not a striking difference between it. It's not like pink and brown. It just kind of blends in together. Love that. All right, let's go into the eye look. So I picked up the Taupe palette from Essence. These little cute palettes are really affordable, and they have them in like coral, blue, green, violet. I think there's like a warmer version of this, so like a neutral palette. I wanted to try the Taupe. I wanted to try something a little cooler with this peachy cheek. So I've heard good things about the quality of these little palettes for the price. So I'm excited to try this out and just create a nice little basic look for you. All right, to start, I'm going to go in with the warmest shade in the palette, just to kind of start off with a little bit of a base and just a fluffy brush. And I'm going to just apply that on my brow bone and into my crease a little bit. I'm going to drag it down my nose a little bit just to blend it through. So far, it's got some nice pigment, and just kind of softly blends through. Doesn't seem too dry or patchy. Now I'm going to go in with a little pointed brush as I dip in to the gray shade. I want to have a little bit more precision with this because I want to keep it more to the outer corner. All right, definitely has a lot of pigment and not patchy at all for being like a cool tone gray. It's got kind of some purple undertones to it. So I'm just gonna take that taupe color again and just blend it through together. Now with a flat brush, I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade, which is almost like a white, maybe more of like a cooler cream tone, and I'm just gonna pat that on the lid. So this is probably the least pigmented shade. Even though it wasn't as pigmented, it blended in really nicely with the other shades. I definitely want to try out another one of these palettes because so far the pigment on the matte shades has been really nice. Now I'm going to go in with this lighter kind of taupey gray color, and we will do another flat brush with that. I might spray my brush a little bit with some setting spray just to help pick up the glittery foiled color. All right, let's go in. Looking pretty pigmented. All right, I just started going in with a dry brush as well because it was picking up the foiled color just as good. So I'm gonna go in with this next kind of slate, we'll say silvery slate color, and I'm just gonna pop that in the middle. Maybe I'll try my finger. Let's see. Yeah. So this has a little bit more of a kind of not coppery, a greenish undertone to it. The first one was a little bit more of a light gold, let's say. And now I'm going to go in with the darkest shade at the corner. This is like a slate gray. I'm just going to pop that in the corner, and I'll just kind of blend one of the mattes through it just to help kind of blend it all together. All right, so I went in with the gray, the matte gray, and just kind of blended through the corners a little bit, as well as taking this more taupe color and going underneath my eye. I always love to do that just to clean up the edges, clean up the outer corner. I put on some eyeliner, tight lined, and mascara, and I think this came out stunning. You guys, this palette is $4.99 Canadian. For the price, the product is beautiful. Like, the mattes blend out really nicely for being a cool tone palette. Sometimes grays can look really patchy. I can't complain. For $4.99, I can't even critique it. Like, how do you? I think it looks beautiful. I love the way it looks with the coral cheeks. So I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of a nude lip, and then let you see the final look. All right, for my lips, I went in with my little eyebrow pencil, Annabelle eyebrow pencil in the shade Taupe. I always use that first as like a contour for my lips, and then I went in with Essence lip liner Peachy Keen, as well as NYX Dainty Days suede lipstick, and over top of that, the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Ice. Final look, I am obsessed. This is probably one of my favorite makeup looks I have done to date. I love the shadow, the eyeshadow with the nude, the peachy nude. I think it looks like such a beautiful combo. The eyeshadow, like I said, I can't even critique it. For the price, it worked beautifully. I love the tone. I love that it's kind of got a purplish undertone to it. Looks great with blue eyes. And thank you again so much to Ana Luisa for collaborating with me again on a video. I just love the jewelry. I will link the links all below for you guys to check out and to shop the Black Friday sale. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.